this video I will explain how to draw a basic diagram in AutoCAD. So the question given is draw the below diagram using AutoCAD software and measure the dimensions. So once you open the AutoCAD software, the first command you have to give is limits and press enter. So now you have to specify the lower left corner, so type 210 and press enter. So now you have to specify the upper right corner, type 297 and press enter. So now the limits are specified. Now enter the command units and press enter. So a pop-up will open like this. In this you have to give the precision to 0 and press OK. So now let's move on to the diagram. So we have to draw like this. So first the entire line, this section, the entire measurement is given as 70. So we have to draw it for 70 mm. First you have to press the line command and make sure that auto is switched on. So press line. You have to draw for 70. So now first this line is drawn. So next we have to draw this for 30 mm. Go for line. So from here you have to draw for 30 mm. Press escape. So next, if this is entire line is 70 and until this it's 40, so this line should be obviously 30 mm. So again, from here you have to draw for 30. So now we have to draw this line for 40 mm. Go to the line, so point here and enter 40. So next again we have to draw a line here for 40 mm. So 40 mm I have drawn a line. Now we have to connect these two lines. So the outline has been drawn. So now we have to draw both these circles. So the center of this first circle is 20 mm away from this line, from this edge, and the diameter of the circle is given as 20 mm. From here we have to draw a line for 20 mm and extend it like this. So from the bottom side it is 25 mm above. So from this point draw a line for 25 mm and draw a line there. This. So this will be the center point for the first circle. So press the circle command, and draw a circle for 10 mm radius. So now the first circle is created. Now we have to draw the second circle. Now it's 30 mm away from the first circle's center point. So I will just extend this line. So from here 30. So it's 30 mm from here. So draw a line for 30 mm. So this will be the center point for the second circle. So now select the circle command and draw a circle for 10 mm radius. So now the diagram is created. Now delete the reference line. So now the diagram is done. Now we have to dimension the sides. So select the dimension here and see, press this line and just extend it to upwards. So now press this line and you will be getting a 25 mm here. Now next we will give dimension for this 40 mm. Extend it towards the left hand side. Now the bottom side we have to give the dimension. So now we have to give the diameter of the circle. So we have given the dimensions. This will be the final diagram. Hope you have liked this video, and that's it for today. Subscribe for more videos.